Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through creating a dashboard in Zoho CRM. Dashboards provide a visual summary of key metrics. So let's get started. The first step is to go to the dashboard module. And to do that, you have to log into your Zoho CRM. To do so, just navigate to your web browser and open a new tab, and in it, look for crm.zoho.com. Once the website appears, enter your account credentials and log in. As you can see, I'm already logged in, so I'm directed directly to my account dashboard. From here, click on the dashboards model. If not visible, like this example here, enable it from settings model. Go to settings here and go to model. Here. And enable it. Now, if you don't find it here, create a new model and name it dashboards right here. You must enter the name here. Let's enter it again. Dashboards. Yeah, as you can see, I already created a dashboard model. But if you don't, you have to do this step. I forgot I made it. Now here, let's look for it. Yeah, it's this one. I already made it. From here, you can create a new dashboard or import dashboards. To add a new dashboard, click on create a new dashboard model and add components like bar charts, pie charts, or KPIs. For example, create a sales performance chart using data from the deals model right here. Now for third step is to customize and save. Arrange the widgets and set filters to tailor dashboard to your needs. Save it for an easy access. And that's how you create a dashboard in Zoho CRM. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.